In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high-converting sales funnel in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple funnel that guides visitors from first click to action, all inside the Wix editor. Start by opening your Wix account, heading to My Sites, and clicking Edit Site on the website you want to use. Give the editor a moment to load. Having a clear workspace makes the whole process smoother. Before you build anything, plan your funnel flow. Keep it straightforward. A landing page to grab attention, a thank you page to confirm the action, an offer page to present your next step, and a checkout or booking page to close the deal. Write down the exact path you want people to take so every click has a purpose. Create your landing pages with one goal per page. If you want emails, make the headline and visuals all about the value of your free resource or service. If you're promoting a specific offer, keep distractions low and benefits clear. You can start from a blank page or use a template, but simplify the layout so the main action stands out. Quick note, because this is a website-based workflow, I've placed a direct link to Wix at the top of the description if you need it. Open that in a new tab so you can follow along. Add a form for lead capture using Wix Forms. Choose only the fields you truly need to lower friction. Set the form's post-submission action to redirect users to the next step, typically your thank you page, so the journey continues automatically. Use clear call to action buttons to move people forward. Label them with verbs that match your goal, like book a call, get the offer, or download now. Place them high on the page and repeat them after key sections so they're always easy to find. Link your pages in sequence. Every button, text link, and form confirmation should send visitors to the correct next page. Click through each element and confirm the destination. This is where a simple naming convention for pages can really help you avoid mistakes. Optimize for mobile by switching to mobile view. Adjust spacing, make buttons thumb-friendly, and ensure forms are easy to complete on smaller screens. Test scrolling and tab targets to reduce friction. Finally, preview the entire funnel and run through it like a visitor. Check that pages load correctly, forms submit, and each link goes exactly where it should. When everything feels smooth, click Publish to take it live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.